Welcome to Alaska Frontier Gunsmith and Taxidermy. Today, I'm going to talk about how to check the function and timing of a Smith and Wesson Model 66 revolver. But first, we're going to make sure the gun is unloaded. First, point the gun in a safe direction. Next, open the cylinder and check to make sure there are no bullets in the chamber. Go ahead and close this. Next, we will start by identifying the cylinder stop below the cylinder, which is right here. Holding the gun with a firm grip and using your pointer finger, pull the hammer slowly to the rear. The cylinder will rotate. The cylinder stop block will drop out of the way as it's being pulled to the rear and engage when the cylinder is lined up with the chamber and the barrel. The hammer should not be to the rear yet. Go ahead and pull the hammer to the rear and go ahead and release the hammer. Repeat this step another 5 times. When you're doing this, pay close attention to when the cylinder locks up. You want to make sure that the cylinder locks up before the hammer is fully to the rear. This ensures that the hammer will not drop on the chamber with the cylinder in the wrong position, which should cause catastrophic damage to the revolver on the worst case scenario, and the best case scenario, it shaves lead. Either way, this is something you don't want. So go ahead and keep repeating these steps. You have to do this 6 times. This completes the single action function test. Now let's go ahead and move to the double action function test, which is done similarly. First, hold the revolver in a safe direction, place your finger in the trigger, and pull the trigger back slowly. The cylinder should lock up before the hammer falls. Pull it back, check to see that it's locked, and continue to squeeze. Go ahead and do it again. Again, pull it back. Go ahead and lock up the cylinder and then finish pulling the trigger. You want to continue to do this through 6 cycles. This ensures that the timing of the cylinder lines up with the barrel. Without this, like I said before, there's a chance of catastrophic failure because the bullet will be fired, and if it's not properly lined up with the barrel, it could cause the gun to explode or it could shave lead. This completes the function check for the Model 66. I hope you have enjoyed the content of this video. Please leave us a comment below on what you think and how we can improve our channel for you. As always, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. God bless America. Have a wonderful day.